Hello all, myself Dr. Shanti Verma. In today's tutorial, I want to discuss assertions in Python programming language. Assertions are basically one types of statements that is used in place of the exception handling. Assertions and exception handling both are used in a defensive programming. Defensive programming means the developer develops a code in a way that so that there is no chances of error. For that, different types of testings are also performed, like glass box testing and black box testing. In this tutorial, I already discussed the assertions in Python programming language. Let's first discuss the learning objective of this session. At the end of this session, you are able to explain the syntax of assert statement. You are also able to use assert statement in Python programming for testing purpose. Let's first discuss why testing is required. Basically, when we perform testing in our code, so that there is no chances of errors in a code. Testing also helps you to design a good code. It also helps to find the bugs and help to document a code. Now let's discuss the assert statement. Basically, assert statement use the assert keyword, that is an inbuilt keyword in Python. And if this assert keyword is statement is not true, then the assert statement raise an assertion error. Basically, these assertion error based on the bool test expression. Let's first discuss the assert keyword. You can see here, this is the assert keyword. So if you want to use any assert statement, you have to write in prompt assert first. Then the second thing you have to write is the expression. You can write any types of expression. This is a equal to expression. You can write less than, greater than, any types of expression in place of this. Basically, this assertion expression is almost same as that if not expression, then it raise an assertion error. So, if my expression is a 1 equals to 1, if 1 equals to 1 is not equal, then it raises an exception assertion error. The second optional expression on the assert statement is a message. Basically, if you don't provide any message for the assertion error, it prints inbuilt assertion. So there is a problem in to distinguish which assertion is for what. So it is used in a practice that when we use a assert statement, provide a message for the assertion error. It helps you to distinguish one assertion from other. For that, you have to write assert, then expression, and after that you have to write this message. This message print when this expression is false. You can see here that this expression is false as 1 is not equals to 2. So this assertion error through with this message. This assert statement where we pass a message have the syntax assert expression 1 comma expression 2, where expression 2 is a message, is basically almost same as if not expression 1 means if expression 1 is not true, it raise an exception assertion error with expression 2 and print the expression 2 as a message. You can see here that if I write assert 1 equals to 2 with message reality check and press enter, you can see here that it throws a assertion error with a message reality check. Let's take one example of to demonstrate the assertion statement. Here I use a try and catch statement. In exception handling, we already see that how this try and except is used. Basically, in this program, I write in try first to input a number from a user and check with the assert statement if number is greater than equals to 0, then print the number, and if number is not greater than equals to 0, then print only positive numbers accepted with the help of the assertion error. So I write this assertion error in the accept statement and print the message. You can see here then if user enters a number minus 10, as minus 10 is not greater than equals to 0, it prints only positive number accepted. In this tutorial, I discussed the assert statement using only expression, and the assert statement using expression and message. For more learning, you can refer these references. Thank you.